So, this September 29th, we celebrate World Heart Day. So, on this day, we want to discuss about how to prevent heart attacks. Why this is very important? Because the premature heart attacks, that is called heart attack in young, has becoming very important problem in our society. So, it is as last decade or so, the percentage of my heart attacks in young people, that is below 40 years, is increasing tremendously. So, it is around one third of the heart attacks are below age of 40 years. That is the reason why we have to take some preventive measures. It is not like heart attack is not a preventable disease, at least we can delay the heart attacks. So, what are the habits and what are the preventive measures? So, before understanding how to prevent it, we should also know that what are the modifiable and non-modifiable risk factors. So, what causes heart attack? That is more important to understand. So, what are the modifiable risk factors? The risk factors which we can modify it. So, commonly the traditional risk factors for heart attack is diabetes, that is sugar and high BP and high cholesterol. So, these are all common risk factors. Apart from that, the common risk factors will be the smoking. Smoking in our society is becoming very tremendous problem, and the sedentary lifestyle. So, nowadays the younger generation is having a lot of this sedentary lifestyle. So, these are all the very common traditional risk factors, whereas non-traditional risk factors like drug abuse and stress, these are all non-traditional risk factors. So, these how to modify it. So, there are some measures we can take. We will message it like morning habits. So, what will be the good or healthy morning habits? These are all important few things which can do daily morning, which we can avoid these risk factors. So, most important is good sleep. After the good sleep, the morning exercise. So, there is a lot of discussion about how much exercise we have to do, as a moderate exercise, high intensity exercise. These are all very often asked questions to us. So, what is very important for heart is the moderate exercise is very important. Just 20 to 30 minutes of a moderate walk or any yoga, meditation. These will reduce the stress in our body, and morning exercise will release some of the hormones which are very soothing for the heart and blood vessels. So, this is very important to inculcate in our daily habits, and having a good nutrition in the morning. The nutrition in the sense, so we have to have a low fat diet which is less in oil and high protein and less of carbohydrates. So, this balanced diet. So, for heart there is the good vegetables and fruits, with 2/3 of our diet should be more of vegetables and fruits, 1/3 should be the fat, protein and the glucose mixed diet. This is very important to have a good diet, good nutrition and good exercise and maintaining ideal weight. So, these are important few things which can inculcate in our morning tick mark in our daily habits. If you change little bit of habit, either we can prevent a heart attack or we can postpone a heart attack by a decade or so. So, in the morning habits, I want to highlight few of the points which we should have. So, first is after getting up from the sleep. So, morning exercise is very important. So, it is like awakening our body, and you go for a regular walk, burn some calories. So, the burning calorie is not like burning electricity. So, you are using your energy to reduce your extra calories. So, that will improve your energy and also release some of the hormones which is very soothing for the heart and also blood vessels. That reduces your cholesterol, reduces your weight and have a good digestion. This is a very important benefits of regular exercise in the morning. And also nutrition is very important. So, nutrition wise we have to have a low fat diet, and 2/3 of our diet should be having fruits, vegetables and the rest 1/3 will have a usual diet. So, like that also contains 2/3 of the diet should be the carbohydrates and 1/3 will be fats and 1/3 will be the the proteins. So, this balanced diet, regular exercise and a good sleep is very important to reduce the heart attack and prevent further heart attacks or postpone the heart attack at least a decade.